Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to download games and updates faster on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to know how to download games faster and updates faster on your PlayStation 5? This is very easy to do. Now, the first thing you want to know about is to close games and applications when you're downloading something. So if you press the PlayStation button and then go on over to the switcher right here, go to your active games or applications and go to and press options on them and close the game. You'll notice that the download will go ahead and download quicker when you have your games closed. Now if I go to downloads and uploads under here, I can go to my game will now be downloading quicker. If it doesn't download quicker, pause the game and then resume the download. So let's press X on this and pause it. Now let's go ahead and resume the download. And sometimes just pausing it and resuming the game will make it download a lot quicker too. So just go ahead and try that out. Now, the other thing that you can do is press the PlayStation button and then go on over to the power symbol right here and go to enter rest mode. Now, when you're in the rest mode, you can download updates and games while your PlayStation is pretty much turned off, but you're in rest mode. Now, it seems like games download pretty quickly when you're in rest mode, and if you don't have rest mode turned on, go to settings, then go down to system. So under system now, go down to power saving and go to features available in rest mode. And make sure you have this check mark, stay connected to the internet. While in rest mode, your PS5 can download updates, files, and content. Now, another thing to make note of is if you go to network, then go to settings and go to setup internet connection, you want to make sure you are connected to the fastest, most reliable connection. So for me, this is a wired LAN cable. So directly connect your PlayStation to your router with a cable if you have that option. Otherwise, make sure you are on the 5G Wi-Fi. And to check if there's any 5G bands near you, press options under here and go to Wi-Fi frequency bands and go to 5 gigahertz just like this and select that. Now only the 5 gigahertz connections will display under networks found. Go ahead and connect to that because that's going to be a lot quicker than the older 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So once you have that connected, go to your new network and go to options on it and go to advanced settings. And then go to the primary DNS and type in 8.8.8.8. Press R2 and done. And go to the secondary DNS and type in 8.8.4.4. Go to R2 and done. And go to MTU settings. Go to manual. And type in 1473. Press OK. And then connect to the internet. And then just back out of the screen and do a quick test internet connection right here. And check your upload and your download speed under here. So hopefully this quick little tutorial video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.